2017 Hyundai Sonata, lower ball joints. This is what they look like. Okay? First thing you want to do is jack it up. No, you want to loosen your lug nuts. Then raise it up, remove your tire. Support the vehicle with a jack stand. Remove the cotter pin. Remove the nut. It's 17 millimeter. The bolt is a 17 millimeter head bolt. Once you got this bolt nut out, spray it with some penetrant so it soaks into the ball joint. Okay, now that you got it out, turn the wheel all the way to the left. This is the driver's side. Once you got it all the way to the left, I got an angle-headed pry bar. I can pound that in there to open up that knuckle up a little bit. Open that knuckle up a little bit. Put some penetrant in there. And then you got the bolt out and penetrant in there. Got it opened up. You can even use a chisel if you get a chisel in there. Open it up. And then you want to stick a pry bar into your control arm through that hole. And you want to hold on to the pry bar, pull down, and then tap onto the control arm with a hammer. I got a 3-pound sludge, which is nice. As you're pulling this down, you pound it out because you opened it up a little bit, and you'll pound it out and you get it out. Boom, you get it out. Push your whole knuckle off to the side, away from the ball joint, and then now you can take your ball joint bolts out. Nuts. There's 3 of them. There's 17. Take them out. Pry your ball joint away from it. Once you get the ball joint out, you can put the new ball joint in there. Remember, you got your knuckle pushed away to the side, so you can slide the ball joint in there. Put your 3 nuts on. Tighten them up. Pry your control arm down with your pry bar. Line up your ball joint into your hole in your knuckle. Wiggle your knuckle back and forth. You know, move back and forth, get it in there. And then put some anti-seize. Well, you should have put some anti-seize on your ball joint anyway. And inside your hole first. Put some anti-seize on your bolt. And then as you're putting the bolt in, try to put some tension on your control arm. You can line the hole up in the slot on the ball joint. Once you got that into the slot in the ball joint, then you can put your nut on and tighten your nut and bolt. A pretty good sized bolt, so tighten them up. And then make sure you put your cotter pin on there. And then you're all set. Make sure your bolts are all tight, nuts, and you're good. That's all you gotta do to replace a ball joint. Yeah, you'll have some hard times getting them in and out because of the corrosion. Penetrant goes a long way, and opening up that gap will help out a lot too. Okay? And just a little persuasion helps out too. All right, that's it.